Hi, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at an all-new 2020 Harris Solstice 250. This is a 25-foot boat. This is got some speakers here, which is nice for if you're hanging out at the sandbar. Radio control. This boat is powered by a 200 horsepower Mercury engine. Coming inside this boat is considered to be our center walkthrough layout. As you can see, there's a full center walkthrough all the way from the front to the back. There's lots of cup holders in this boat, lots of speakers, got two big captain chairs. Under there you got a dressing room, in-floor storage, again upgraded sound system, so you get a subwoofer, you get storage under every seat, again big loungers here in the front. JL audio sound system. Got a wonderful two-tone gray interior, which is new for this year. It's actually a completely new redesign from last year to this year. Here at the helm you got a Lawrence hook, got a JL audio head unit, digital throttle, which is absolutely phenomenal. You got a charging port, active trim. This pontoon has it all. Again, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. As always, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos.